Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Are you looking for a school where your child can grow, shine, and achieve their dreams? Welcome to Lucky Star Educational Center, where excellence begins. We offer top-quality education for learners from playgroup to grade 6, fully CBC compliant and designed to nurture every child's potential. At Lucky Star, your child enjoys modern computer studies with a fully equipped computer lab, (5923) or 071-959-4048. Lucky Star Educational Center, a center of excellence.
Omwanchwa umurigereria ne maragoba yendengi yango kwarigania asekeunga chinsa ibere chitarikinisa to mutinyo 12 omwaka yiga wechiru 2025 na mange nkwariganeretie tosangamo naye ali atekire imene isiko yorogongo rwa gusibu no butambeliane ngoro kwa dipo na asanya asense moye bimanyererio ningo tokubwaterana na Wilson Makori kulinde tutora ya chaka sowime tutora ya chaka senchira yoko ya chuta.
The Senate shall investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the governor of Nyamira County in plenary. Consequently, a hearing program has been prepared and appended to the order paper for today.
Omswada bwoko murusia omugabana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyalibo nigogenderete gotegererwa ase Senate.
And above all, we have confirmed to the whole country that the Kenya Kwanza scored 0 out of 3 positions which were being contested in the recently concluded by-elections.
Aba MCA bachorubwanga igase county ya Nyamira nigo basokire na kwegerera chibicha chiarekanira se mitandao.
Officers working together with the village elders, the Nyumba Kumi initiative, tunajua mambo yatakuwa vizuri na kila mtu atapata justice yake.
County ya Nyamira gochengera litukuli nene liabalia bamenyete nobolema. Litukulia lero asebunge ye Senate nigo egikarogia koleka bene gyokurigereria okorusugwa bisi kwa mugavana we county ya Nyamira Moske Amos Nyaribo naboigo nengana yabeire gekoba ase chintunda gwetania ibere eyegana intunda ya gatatu ase omugabana bwe county yobere kagutia egesire gukwana ime ya magachayo nigo omuske Amos Nyaribo akomochigwa sogotumeka abisibobe gosasomerwa asomerwa amamochabere asogotumeka abisibobe nabo go gotumeka gosukubuna lichiko anena se county ya Nyamira engana bono yairereta ba MCA borogongorwe komwaka isiko buno mugabana bwe county yukurinde ase bunge ya Senate nigo bari kurigereria nga nere chinchera chonsi ncheiretwe gose chinchera chiwenerete nche gose gatambukero nkeiretwe bune nchera ya mogo soso murobili oboko murusia bisi omoske Amos Nyaribo naya iga ngati yaria abaga kwenekigwa anene ase bungeria ye Senate.
You will recall that at the sitting of the Senate held on Thursday, 27th of November 2025, I appointed today, Wednesday, 3rd December 2025, and tomorrow, Thursday, 4th December 2025, as the days when the Senate will hear the charges for the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Amos Kimomi Nyaribo, Governor of Nyamira County. Via Gazette Notice number 1761-3 dated 2nd December 2025, I notify the general public that pursuant to Standing Order 81B2 of the Senate Standing Orders, the Senate shall investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Governor of Nyamira County in plenary. Consequently, a hearing program has been prepared and appended to the order paper for today that highlight the various activities to be undertaken in the hearing. Now, honorable senators, in accordance with the schedule of activities for an impeachment hearing in plenary, the Senate will hold a closed-door preparatory session to deliberate on the management of the investigation. The objective of the preparatory session is to ensure that the process is conducted seamlessly, concluded timely, and in line with the requirements set out.
And as such, Mr. Speaker, when a matter such as this appears before us, we must be satisfied that indeed there was proper procedure that has been followed. For the last 3 sessions, and this is the part that we take the blame also, you know for a fact that we have refused, and I'm very intentional about the use of the word refused, as Parliament to pass the law on the impeachment procedure. I have never seen a law as critical as this, Mr. Speaker, that has gone round in circles as has been. I can recall from, I don't know, as way back as which year, Mr. Speaker, that there has always been an attempt, but unfortunately, it never gets to the end. The parliamentary practice is as such that you vote as an individual, or if you have delegated power in the case of Senate, for example, if you're a member of a delegation and your head of delegation has given you the mandate to vote, then you can vote on their behalf as it happens. Because Senate is unique, we vote by delegations, but county assemblies vote by individual. They don't vote by delegations. And therefore, that is a second basis upon which we are being asked as a House to consider that particular matter.
Jika kulingana na sheria ni dhuruthi mbili ambayo ilipaswa izingatiwe. Lakini Bwana Spika, kwa sababu tunajua kwamba sheria za Kenya, sheria hii ambayo inayonukuliwa ya kusema kwamba tunahitaji dhuruthi mbili ni sehemu ya 33 ya sheria ya serikali ya county, Bwana Speaker.
Now, what has been brought by the county assembly, they are telling us, please remember there were 3 MCAs who are not in that county assembly. This is the time for us to prosecute that, and therefore we should give parties an opportunity to prosecute that matter. We see which way it should go, so that, colleagues, we guide county assemblies. We even guide this Senate that what shall we be doing in the event members are not in plenary.
Senator Boni Awale got it all wrong. The voting in the Senate is by delegates. We don't have delegations in county assemblies. So it cannot be that a member of a county assembly representing one ward can ask another member of
the same county assembly representing a different ward to cast a vote on behalf of that ward. That becomes a bit complicated. Mr. Speaker, I've listened to the majority leader, I've listened to the minority leader, I've listened to submissions from colleagues, and I've heard one thread that is running across: the search for justice.
We've decided to follow as a people who want good governance and administration, who want to provide services to their people. Then, Mr. Speaker, we really have to agree that we are going to follow the law. My wish would have been that we listen to all the charges that have been brought, but then that means that we would have preempted the discussions about the issues of the PO and indeed the rest of this case. My suggestion would be, if members of this House feel that the threshold was not reached, then we accept that as a position. And the problem that I was unable to interrogate, Mr. Speaker, was that in Nyamira, there were 3 members of the County Assembly who were not there when these elections were taking place. Not the ones who traveled, but there are about 3, I think 2 were having by-elections the other day, and 1, I think, had passed on. And they had not been at the Assembly for close to 2 years. So what many people were asking me as I was sitting here is, the fact that these people who've been at the County Assembly have only been 23, what does it mean?
Haki yao, wacha gavana atuambie ni yapi hakufanya makosa, County Assembly ituambie gavana ni makosa gani alifanya. Mheshimiwa Spika, katika njia hiyo tutakuwa tunafanya haki na tutaingia katika vitambu vya kumbukumbu kwamba Seneti hili, Mheshimiwa Spika, ni Seneti ya haki na inalinda ugatuzi. Mheshimiwa Spika, kuna jambo ambalo limejitokeza hapa, ya kwamba kuna watu wengine waliandika affidavit ya kusema kwamba wapigiwe kura na wenzao. Mheshimiwa Spika, mimi nilikuwa mwakilishi ward katika kaunti ambayo nimetoka ya Lamu. Na Mheshimiwa Spika, hiyo sio jambo ngeni. Yanafanyika, Mheshimiwa Spika, sisi katika Seneti hii ndio tunatuma pesa mashinani. Na yale yanayotendeka huko,
having Hansard live footage and coverage when these impeachments are going through. Mr. Speaker, should we be asking for signed confirmations by the MCAs who have impeached someone today here? And I will demonstrate that today, Mr. Speaker, when it comes to voting, by not voting through the processes, to show that I'll be called over there to go sign somewhere to show how I voted. Can't we ask the members of the county assemblies when the impeachments come?
Hayonaro agenderete aria asebunge ye Senate tiyo chikomanya naki omweri oyokoba omuske amusnyeribo nkogendareka gose asetayo agochia abamusie banyamira abo baba bagochorwa amatuka bwangega asobochorio boke bwakorekana nigo bono besokirie na gotugutirare chinkuma buna nigo basoira se serikali omwemusie Jeremiah Ongaro korwa ase ward ye Kerenyo, Chris Osiemo kurwa se ward ya Nyamaiya na boigo Jackson Mugusu kurwa se ward ya Nyansiongo nigo baenekirie buna no bare ase bya mabiri bya bete biko bachora gose ebya mabiri ba bete bagochorwa chingaki bakerwa chikura.
Here to put the record straight on the events doing on social media, that us as elected members of the Nyamira County Assembly, the recently elected, that we have joined the broad-based government of the Kenya Kwanza Coalition, us, we are not even interested. We are so focused on driving the agenda of the Gusii community, and we are solely behind His Excellency Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. We all won because of his strength on the ground, the confidence people exuded towards his candidature. And the negative propaganda spreading is out of fear, is out of shame, and above all, we have confirmed to the whole country that the Kenya Kwanza scored 0 out of 3 positions which were being contested in the recently concluded by-elections. In that regard, we want to assure Kenyans and all good people of good.
Msimamo wetu ni kama ya kwamba vile vyama ambao vimetuleta katika bunge ndio tunasimama. Hakuna haja ya kuogopa, tuko hapa Hakuna mtu yote ambaye anaweza kutushawishi katika hali ya kuingia kwamba tuingie chama chake kama kile. Wale wanaume ambao mliona katika mapicha, hili ni mahangaiko. Katika hali ya kuhangaika wakanakuja ili ya kwamba tuwasamee. Bado watu wetu ni wagonjwa. Bado watu wetu wako hospitali. Bado magari walituchomea. Bado hata wametuhangaisha mpaka sasa. Bado tuko kwa stress. Under normal circumstances hakuna njia ambayo inakuja ati tunaingia broad based. Katika hii ni mwaka karibu wa 3.5. Broad based serikali imekuwa ni nini imefanyia humo Usii?
Watu wetu waliumia. Watu wetu walifanywa madharau. Watu wetu walidalalishwa huko Nyamira. Tunataka kukemea hizo vitendo zenye serikali imefanyia watu wetu. Alafu kama serikali itaendi kutulinda sisi wananchi wa kawaida, ni nani atatulinda? Hata sisi ni walipa ushuru. Serikali ifanya haki kwa kulinda watu wake wote. Sisi ni watu wa moja. Siasa ni siku moja, zitutenganishe, tusimwage damu. Siasa si mwisho wa maisha. Wacha tufanye siasa safi, kila mtu afanye siasa yake. Mwisho wa siku mshindi ni mmoja. Mshindi walipatikana ni Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i, kwa sababu hii vita haikuwa baina yetu, ilikuwa baina ya Fred Okengo Matiang'i na rais wetu William Ruto.
Gutigara asoroboti oruo kubwatikana n'ekibicha ekyo kyabeire kigotara ase mitandao asaba MC abo bachorwa abajase county ya Nyamira kaumirana n'omugavana Amos Nyaribo nabo igo omugavana we county ya Kisii Omoske Paul Simbarati omochifu Ifsiribanus Sosoro omubungo Kitutu cha North Javeth Nyakundi etimu ya Matiang'i emanyekanete buna secretariat nigo yesokirie gukwanira eng'ane eyo kurengana na Biuta Omanga oyoro mubwatani we secretariat Omoske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i tabwati bwa matebonde bwensi igoro yoko umerana okwo kwarorekana ase mitandao asikusase chibicha che mitandao asatebire nga boigo Omoske Matiang'i tabwati bwa matebonde ne serikali y'Omoske Dr. William Samuel Ruto gose Kenya Kwanza.
Ongo kwana kwa niaba ya Dr. Matiang'i Secretariat igoro ya mangana achagire gusamba mitandao igoro y'umukutano kwa Tugoro Nairobi kati ya Governor Nyaribo, Governor Simba na abachumba babere Silvana Sosoro na Javeth Nyakundi na CMCA isatu chiri cha Chorwa Nyamira Nyansiongo Kerenyo na Nyamaiya. Omoske Fred Matiang'i igastugete sana nga meeting njako tu Nairobi goro yarenge away private kati ya barayabo eratabwa alternative to do with it. Lakini bono message ya sokiri kuru ase meeting eri yabete Nairobi igekoreka nga abantu batete kuimblae nga Matiang'i na nyamanyete na te blessings usama sesini ya nga baende baumirane umaene mbolinga Dr. Matiang'i tama etinge meeting ingarengo ere igagoteba nga omonto bwena tekweneria maswali yange meeting eri nakiajete no Moske Nyaribo kiara initially ekoreka nga narurange CMCA chiria bachikukwana ni ndachiko bagura lunch engencho sora to getona Javeth yo according to Dr. Matiang'i yo bwana tekweneria maswali yo no Moske Nyaribero manyene igako explain iga Dr. Matiang'i nga ere igaro position pakomoelio ige impression iri akaba etageta kaba created nga igokoranga nonyolo campaign ya abantu balia na ndana bwate usiano na serikali iri sengencho soro na rolide team ya serikali go campaign against ya bangwana balia ere tabwati usiano yote no soro na serikali iri ero omoelio igago sabanga abana inchi ba minto bagusi moigino amangana yari mitandao igawa kera bagusimbia mona sana na muate na farm na ende iga expected yo soro ne timu yaye bali yenjera basabe omugusi amabera kiara onyatali barauba teteri bereradiria nga abantu baito bakale baumieti igento kende Fred yago sabankeringa abantu baito batigara no morembe nonya siasa yakorwa abantu bali yenjera baberane na ende mambia mbali yenjera bakorega asina bali bandi bonse kuruchinsa machinde Jones oboyi boli wala kanaria to anse kuri yenjera to kwabera nanda toteme tokore igasi amo buno musi
Ekeroria renge ritukorio gochengera bari babwato borema nige county ya Nyamira ya chengera ritukerio asegeti gyekerenyo asekera oyomo aboriwe kurenda obosibore bwabo bare no borema kokwana chinga kiecho niga babwatani kurwa se county yeye baomerana aseganga yokorokyo bwanchani naboigo korokia inga ababale no borema naborubwo nigo babwenta konyora obwene bwabo buna muntu nde wensi ense moyende abako anigo bakwanira enchirengi ya yogokora chisegi chegenka anena se chiamate naboigo kuboria abantu chingaki baetanire chimeme kose bataraigwana se chinkwana kogayana amangana yo ase omorembe elio kogenderera komenya no morembe buna abantu abamo umuriketo Fatgada Gisemba nigekana chinsemecho na gotorendia orobotiro kubwatia
Ekero ensengima ya chengera umuyiga bwabaria babwate oboremani goboigo kurwa ase county ya Nyamira ya chengera umuyiga oyoiga oyo okorekana imeye ward ya Ekerenyo
kunansikana ndeli tororo na nje na chire go celebrate rituge ligaria barema kwa ma persons with disabilities twaro renga kena banta baiga ande na bakonyora bachaire batigire no nyanyomba batari kumanya no nindi kegende lakini rero besokiria so bonge abarenga mona intugaiga twaro regento keri bakonyara neke batai kunyara ono na akira serikali yetu ngambie mone senge njoko beka ritukeri na barubu bainyoru baiguna barubu na mwanya bantu bare
kukwana ekero kyomuyiga oyoiga nigo muteneneri onga imeye county ya Nyamira Fontina Nkare oyeboigo omuwakirisha omubunge bwe county ya Nyamira omoskeche rusha mumanyi nigo aburi abantu anene baria bakubanengeta na kubahatanana abo bare no borema batige na kubarurabna abantu bande ase ate babuna yabise yomuwakirishi bwabangina omoskeche rusha mumanyi nigo baraje kubaimukeria egetambukero baria baranyorekane nerimocho
kuna bamo babo baria gender based violence bari bakurwani wanka bachaire babisire bitukoria rero twaita ko baorokia nga nchera ende yonsteyo mokuangwa barobu mwanya bantu na barobu mukonyara bale gokora kende yonse na bali bande bonsi pibakubaligereria asobobe ase ofisi yo mongi na cherusha mumanyi ntogoro na tebanga na baimokerie getambokero baria bagochikochaya barema na imokerie getambokero baria bakorwania abagaka babo inka na imokerie getambokero baria abangina bagoitu nyomba amona abagaka
kurwase bitabo byoburendi nigo baeneke buna ebaraje korenda obosibure bwabaiga bare no borema elio kwenekia buna na barabwo nkomanya bare buya
Rebecca Lomoria, Inspector ya Polisi, Deputy OCS Ekerenyo Police Station, ambao pia ni walemavu. We are celebrating their day today. We want to remind them that they are blessed and the government as the police department tuko pia mbele sana kupigania haki zenu, and whenever you feel intimidated, please come forward. Working together with the Nga officers, working together with the village elders, the Nyumba 10 initiative, tunajua mambo yatakuwa vizuri na kila mtu atapata justice yake.
Kubwatikana naya nigo omo MC omochore bwe kiama kya UDA imeye county ya Nyamira Doris Nyamanga ensemo yaye akwanira biria arange bikwirera kisegi chegenga kogendera komentekana anene asichi amate engana boigo yagikeriwa amonabwo baikirana asumoyiga oyoiga orero na kugania chinkwana kwegwari bagari nene azukugayana umuchando.
Tuliweza kuangalia vyanzo vya kuwa na dhuluma za kijinsia, tukisema mojawapo ikiwa ni matumizi ya miadarati na vileo mbalimbali vimeweza kuchangia kufunjika kwa familia mbalimbali. Kwa hivyo siku ya leo sisi tumejiunga na wengine wote duniani kusema kwamba tunapinga dhuluma za kijinsia.
Mukungu osunyuntu orokarabu tebe kene nkwagetu onyu musata ko osunyuntu orokarabu teba nkwagetu nande bintebi gatobugikeri muno egesaku kyo mubusi anye chimeme chianganire nyomba isaransa koramasabo suruisa mangana yi numweka mokole inumweka bobisi
kingo reporter getembe kurwaiga Ekerenyo imeye bunge ya North Mugirange county ya Nyamira Njefatigad Kisemba.
Bia mono sana tugutigana na yue kurose county ya Nyamira Fatigad Kisemba ningo bagotebanga abasacho nyemugo sunyuntwa soka na goteba abasacho nabange bakare gusunyuntwa bakira gutigana na yue omuyego yue ase county ya Kisii abisi yomujumbe we county omuskedonya Doris Yaburi ni gasanga n'ababwatani abo bare nobolema ase ensemo ya Culture Hall asamurana na barabo imeyo mu cyobosongo nabo igokubwata kobo konyi ao gochia ase abamenyi abo kati yabo endagera nebinto binde
ngongoro kwedu adiabuga ngongoro ya ibari masaba the vice chairman and ngondo muraya Simba ward ngondi ngosi ya bare mabu ani go twachire igasi ngencho yo serikali ko ya bare mabu yarenge register to ensengi eko nyakato ko chaga igatwa ko binde ngurumambi abaraya bange bachire ko twakera egumele mpya mona so kwa bare mabu sawadi banyaka bakonda serikali sengi Christmas no mwako moja Otote bambi ya mwanya sati abaseni kirende nyaka bikoba nani kwa mwana bare mawo baitano zisibare nyaka bako manyinge binto nebi kongo lakini nawo bire bikongo ne nyaka to kungangana togero mabogende ina nyari bari masaba representative whatever mbi ya mono ase umongina women ya mono sana
serero tugigo celebrate International Day for Persons with Disability mtu aba no mogoko konyora obokonyi kurwase women rep na other stakeholders au banyara konya abaremafu na kuba semia na kibata kire komenya ase chinga chiabo
buna enchira eyemo yogokinia sector yoborendi nigaba bwatani ao korwa ase ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba baumirana ewodi ya Gesima nigo baumirana sokonyora amaigelio no boigo chinchira chyo kwegendereria nobosemia asebono egeikare kyo abasaba boligwe kwebwaterania ase byombe elio banyare konyora obokonyi bwobuamo gosogosirwa chibesa chiritira nyare ko bakonya aso kwegendereria elio banyare gokinia na gonchoreria amagimabo na tokumanywa no murikito porikapokara
obunenchera ye moyo gokinyariga sa soboremi nigo egatia balimi abeiga na nene barabanya byombe kurase byombe asangerere kanire eli konyara ko bakwigerirwa enchera banyare ko bagokoro bolimi buranyare ko bakonya na nene ube obwe baita obuboro bwekerero
twabire no magoko manene na inda mangana tweigure aseri tukoria rero abagani baito batorenteire igoro yoboremi igoro yobo tugi igoro ya binto byonsi bire ase emegondo yeito bigotokonya ama no butugi bw'ekingoko
nigo basemirigwe enchera babonete kunyara ko bakwenekia ko ebwatania ase ebyombe ebyokorenga namo nabo igabachire ko basomya bakorabona Abel Kamanda oyuti nenete amangana yetuko korwa ase wadi ya Gesima abasemiri babonete kunyara ko bagoswa chinga kibanyorire ningo korwa ase oboremi kwani kibunango bosiranya bale elio banyare ko babagwe konya samatukare bosyo
inche bono buna omwabisa nacha asokoinikali ky'abantu baminto abalimi baso ase sake nengiya naende nacha kobasomi ngaki bakonyora chibese korwa so obulimi egere bamentere obulimi bwabo naende banyora chibese bakoira ase sako egere nyonekere bakabesiri chibese ase sako banyora chibese bakoirani ase sako mono buna nacha rero nabasomiria amang'ana amange nabasomiria ngaki babonete gokora obulimi bw'echiombe kibabonete koragira chiombe chiabo buya akibabonete kolinda chimori chiabo buya egere chikine
ningana abasaba aganda ko bakohoborigwa kwene kibunango abaraso mustari umusogoso ase byombe bibiranyara ko babiko bakonya gukora kirigurube ekyo kirasobweko wenseyiga
nabonko inikale cy'abantu baito abake bana abake balesiko babese byombe
ngo batebiga abantu abake bono tiga tuchiche toswe tutiga mangana yoko loita gosi yoko nyagotware meshene around the ward ni nchuo chibesa nchirororo chibakonye mwegendereri undi byensi uteto ne biashara nabokore biashara biyago oira ni chibesa icho
oigo abagambya sense muyende nigo banyare ko bakoborirwa kweneke gutumeka libageri gase chibaraza kubasemya abantu igoro yobuya webyombe
nenkwamisa
ase binyoro byaito baminto chief chitokonyesi ase ebiombe byaito mbarororo bakunya gotangatanga busa para batubekamo barasa abantu abwo na abana baito bari isiko batubekamo baswese kyombe torenga ngitokora
omweli oye kubatikanamo nabamenya bigakora se wadi ya Gesima nigo banyariko bagotebwa kunyara ko bakwene kimunango sabara sebyombe ekero enenge koreto na abasamaria baya ejara ko bageko bakonya elio bayigendererie asobogema
twakorire application minto bali muri igweri ogie manya kibese ngiri kitakire gocha kitabense ya milioni 3 igobona abantu bali mu igure nitu yarechese ne kibese kyo abantu baterechese tebatebunga kibakora abo bisaba basomi na kibaho kitumia sobole migo chikoirana.
Polycarp Okara, Getembe TV.
Roboti rwa Polycarp Okara kurwase county ya Nyamira na rurogo toiro motimoko tosukankuri na tole nyuma yegeka getarie getambe.
Unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga, kumlea na kumwendeleza mtoto wako? Karibu Lucky Star Educational Center, mahali ambapo elimu bora inaanzia. Tunatoa elimu ya kiwango cha juu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 6 tukiwa CBC compliant na tukilenga kukuza uwezo wa kila mwanafunzi. Lucky Star inajivunia mafunzo ya kompyuta katika maabara ya kisasa, chess, karate na swimming kukuza akili, nidhamu na ujuzi wa kuogelea, usafiri wa uhakika na salama kwa wanafunzi wote, ada nafuu na zinazolipika, madarasa mapana na ya kisasa, walimu waliobobea, waliofunzwa na wenye ari ya kufundisha, mazingira tulivu na rafiki kwa kujifunzia, vifaa vya kutosha vya kufundisha na kujifunzia. Usaili na usajili wa Januari unaendelea. Mlete mwanao katika shule inayojali mustakabali na mafanikio yake. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, eneo la Jogoo, kando ya barabara ya Kisii Nyamira, mkabala na Kenya Power Substation. Kwa maelezo zaidi piga 0715245923 au 0719594048. Lucky Star Educational Center, kituo cha umahiri.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering, ngwegeri bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na we go water engineering. Ase ensema ya computing and informatics, ngwege bali ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security na we go na network system administration. Ase ensema ya electrical and electronic engineering, ngwege bali electrical installation na we go electrical engineering. Ase ensema ya cosmetology, ngwege bali hairdressing, we go mbabwate fashion design. Ase hospitality and tourism, ngwege bali food production yani cookery na wigo food and beverage production.
Asa Maria Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 wose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zichene kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bali loan cyo gosoma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school golendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya. Egento kende abana nkwaye bali constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries. Ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge buna bono mubunge Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana Honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende getangania tabiringa mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we kai we basari in full inta abana baito January intekinega ndereta abana bali bako school January mwakaribishwe togenderete na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuri yiga kusi obakirisi migutira sinamba cyabo 0743480999 kusi 0782490068.
nigo bwarurwe asabanto koira libagari ritang'ani eliokurigereria oboene bw'abantu abagotwe abo bakorekana konengetwa n'echiamate chiabo gukwana yaiga ime yebunge ya South Mugirango n'enchera yemo yokurigereria okonengetwa gosokurigererwa bobe anekochia asabagotu eng'ana batebirenga obwanchani ngati y'ebintu biri byaba bigwakerwe koko asaba amate gosabanto wesokia na korokia obwanchani gochia ase abagatu ekiagana barabwo mbaganetie konyora libagalinde liokogenderera komenya amatuko amanga maega ni gabagatu barorekanire bakonengetwa eng'ana yarorekanire gekoigereria ogoko kwa mapema obasemye bono nigo bogenderete kubwato kwa gochia asabanto unenchire yemo yokurigereria amasilai y'abagatu anene ase binyoro
ncheze nkoro kwa Helen Kiriama igango kwana kurwa igase egodi ya tabaka igatwarenge igakurugoro na rero twari gukwanira nene iboro y'abantu baita abagatu na gituranyare gukora tubabaigiriri tukwigera abantu baita abagatu
je nkoro kweniri mugendi oyo buriri na inje nona arenga igesemine igengi yatwagokire ase bintu yakorire yatworokiri abantu abagotu gobaguchandika batigira ase chinka onda atari kubakonya nyone birengereri
chiamate chinyinge komenyare na abancho babo
Julius Kamo etwakira ase semineye ego twarigerie mang'ana amange abagotu bagwetera konyorore batigire batari konyara kwa bagwikerwange kero bare gosaba rwire gosekero batete konyora endagera abange bang'akiru abandi ng'ana barogi bosaiti botayo erio twaita abantu bali bagwenerete gutworokereria amang'ana y'obukoro twabaita bali moyo bagotira abantu abange bakubarigire kubaira muna abana abantu babwate gose ebibe gose part hormones gocha sekenyoro lakini yaya n'abantu bali bengencho bwente kulendwa
eng'anenene yobosemia
agotumbaga niri kurigereri gubiya boroki bwobwanchani abagotumbaga niri kurendwa chinchira ao tebanga taringe bagotire mono batakore kende konyere ng'a uwezo nero umugotukwa eguno ne ng'ombe chingoko igachitoke anya kurigereri inde abe busy ase rituko takorara rio kang'a no mogotware.
Kwa majina ni Felicitas Ndonye. Shirika letu hutetea wazee, leo tumekuwa na training ya kusensitize wazee wa kijiji about the challenges wazee wana undergo. We are trying to form ambassadors of older persons so that the older persons cannot be ignored in the community.
Osoko nyara konyo mogotu kiagera mambi na intu ngocha kota tole tosinyu kogenda tosinyu gukora nyone bire togokora
obwanchani nabo igo amajukumu yoborendi nigo arorekanire koenana ogosemeria okonene guchia sabagotu
ngochi tole gokora ebintu ebinge chi sport ngochi tole gokora na ende ntobe togoko togo chaso obonge na kuorokereria kegoria geke buna mang'ana alia gwenere gogorekana ase kenyure keiga
kuripoteria getembe kuroiga ase bunge ya South Mugirango Eliane Dipon asanya umwancho umurigereria abuno tukujakira musumari ekeonga chinsa ibere gendera gosangamo 9 tuchikonyora mugeni oikire asense muyende ye studio tumirane naye chinsenye ase amange asense buye manyerio nigotwaringe na Wilson Makoli Eliane Dipona Sanya.
Omonto bwena tekweneria maswali yange meeting eri nakiajete no musike nyaribo kiara initially ekolekana ngana rurange TMC chiria bachikukwana ni ndachiko bagura lunch engencho sora to getona chafet yo according to the matianyo yo bwena tekweneria maswali yo no musike nyaribero manyene.
Unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga, kumlea na kumwendeleza mtoto wako? Karibu Lucky Star Educational Center, mahali ambapo elimu bora inaanzia. Tunatoa elimu ya kiwango cha juu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 6 tukiwa CBC compliant na tukilenga kukuza uwezo wa kila mwanafunzi. Lucky Star inajivunia mafunzo ya kompyuta katika maabara ya kisasa, chess, karate na swimming kukuza akili, nidhamu na ujuzi wa kuogelea, usafiri wa uhakika na salama kwa wanafunzi wote, ada nafuu na zinazolipika, madarasa mapana na ya kisasa, walimu waliobobea, waliofunzwa na wenye ari ya kufundisha, mazingira tulivu na rafiki kwa kujifunzia, vifaa vya kutosha vya kufundisha na kujifunzia. Usaili na usajili wa Januari unaendelea. Mlete mwanao katika shule inayojali mustakabali na mafanikio yake. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, eneo la Jogoo, kando ya barabara ya Kisii Nyamira, mkabala na Kenya Power Substation. Kwa maelezo zaidi piga 0715245923 au 0719594048. Lucky Star Educational Center, kituo cha umahiri.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Kila nafsi na ita
Ogukwa kwarariwe kwa Caroline Nyaboke Meroka. Ogukwa kwarariwe wa Caroline Nyaboke Meroka n'umwana wa Meroka Tungai na boigo n'umuna Francisca Kemuma nina Leticia Kemuma na Leni n'uyu mwabo Janet Meroka wegis FM uyu boigo rumo director Oharide Sako Dorka Kemunto Meroka Conjesta Mogotu Meroka Dillon Tungai na boigo na Dalion Kingoina Mochukuru Otungai Kirungo Juvencia Kwambuka Florence Mokeira na Nyabeli Veneti Ngamati ya Hana Mora na Ruth Finn Kenyanya Inamoke Emmanuel Praise Ruth Lucia Nobet Trossard na Havil Mojango nyagosela nigora kolekana litukoli Jumanne jinsa mochidi cha Professional Center na boigo yondo kolekana litukoli Jumatano imeyumo chobo songo nigo ararusiwe enkendu ya Krista Maria litukoli Alhamis tariki nya chuma tinyiga o 12 umwaka yoiga na nasabiri na kwane litukoli Juma tariki sana chuma tinyiga o 12 umwaka yoiga alia jinsa mochidi cha enka yabo ya Mocheno Village Embaru Sublocation Kitutu Masaba Imeye County ya Nyamira numojiga kurakorekane ase getikerigie chiro kia mochenwa oku nukureria kogo kwatwararire kwa Caroline Nyaboke Meroka kuiga imegeta sini kia okia getembe twatumire ngore ito ya bene
katika tumaini la Bwana watafufuliwa.
School director, teachers, parents, and my fellow learners, good afternoon.
ayu mwiburi nkuna kuriyure sukuru asorera umwana omwaka ogocha Prince Shiners Academy neye muyochi skuru echo chikoreneria maburi aya aho onsi nigo babwate daycare asibe kubabwate early education yani nursery kurwa grade 1 weka grade 3 eskuru yiga ngokine bale ebyagwa na bwigo bayigeria abana chigosori aho nkuru bale obusombi gocha sabana bonsi na bwigo nigo bwate aborokia abo bale no bumanyi bwiguru na banchirine wizara y'ekisemi ime yensi ya Kenya intake y'umwaka 2026 nigo agenrete na amabaga atigarite na make kirage nigo bagutuka chinsa mu kiri cya Ngongo chi kilomita chimibere cyoka kurwa stage miwa asamange bakiresi migwetera stina mpatyabo 0711209846 ose 0751190580 Prince Shiners Academy ayanura nyorari chibu liye semgo cyase umwanu
Sha Ceramics nigo bono yago keirie rigori riechitile cha Twyford icho bono igachi konigwa chishiringi chimisano nebere nemeronge bere chuka ase a box ya 30 by 30 nigo bakoni ya chimabul buna bono chitable taps koni bari chirangi aina chonse koni bari solid doors PVC ceiling babugata chitile chechinyasi na boigo chechi floor MBF pyramid gypsum cornice filled fables mabwate double corner shelf a towel rack chi scrap holders chi soap dispenser na boigo chi shower mbabugate chi birengo ne chi type au ebinto bya plumbing beyonce p bunabono PPR female PPRT PPR stop valve sockets PRS chi generator mbabugate chi type chons p chi submersible pumps chi drill mbabugate chi type chonsi chi bench vise chi meter saw Anson scales na boigomba bwate chi water tap ochonsipi simiti chi chuma chi water tank chi water pipe amabati ye chi type ochonsi emesumali no egotoka eyubwagachi ne yamabati nigoba gotoka Cansons Plaza aseparana na ya Kisumu Highway inchuo Sha Ceramics bwegorera serigurianse.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured,